Hello, hello, hello. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live again on today with another really cool marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and revenue using email marketing. Chit Chat Cash is what I call this open. Okay, so on today, I'll be sharing with you how you can increase your email opens using stories. Okay, we all know that next week is the highest buying time of the year. Okay, and so in preparation, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can just continue to build a relationship with those who are already on your list, okay? And even with those who already come to your website, they've opted into your page and into your email list because you said that, hey, I'm going to give you something for free in exchange for your name and email. Okay. And you do that using an autoresponder. The two autoresponders that I've been sharing with you all is Aweber and Trafficwave. So let's get started with today's training. If you do not have an actual autoresponder, you can use any of them for free, and you can connect with me later on after you get signed up to say, hey, you know what, I need some help setting up this autoresponder. I hear what you're saying, I know I need it, but just help me out, and just reach out to me at wevoiceit.com/appointment, and you can set up a 30-minute power half an hour session with me. Okay, so here we go on here on today. So what I'll be sharing with you as soon as I go to the next screen here. What's going on? I'm stuck. My computer is stuck. Let's see here. Show in the show. All right, let's go back again and try this out again. All right, there we are. Okay, so basically, we're going to talk about sharing a story. Okay, storytelling is a fundamental human experience that unites people and allow you to create a deeper and more personal relationship with your subscribers. Okay, and it's just like watching your favorite TV show. Like you see this cat sitting here, just, engaged in whatever it is it's looking at. Same thing on tonight. Once I get back home from Bible study, I'm going to be engaged in my favorite TV show. That's what you're looking for to happen with those who have opted into your email list. You want them to be engaged with your emails, okay? And this is how you do this. Basically, you have a curiosity driven subject line. Because Thanksgiving is next week, I'll give an example of the answer to Thanksgiving trivia games. Okay, the reason I chose that because when families get together, of course, they're going to be playing games after they eat food. Okay, I don't know what games you guys may play, but we play spades, we play Monopoly, we watch the football game and do trivia with the different football teams, those types of things. And so, with that in mind, I definitely believe that when you send out an email with the subject line, the answers to Thanksgiving trivia games, they're going to be interested because who doesn't want to win when you play a game? Okay, so they'll click on that email to open it. Okay, and then the next thing you have to do is capture the attention in the first sentence. Okay, so I'm going to start off with, hey, what did Charlie Brown serve for Thanksgiving? Okay, and so, yeah, that's something that they're going to think that, hey, that might be one of the questions that's going to be asked in the Thanksgiving trivia games that we'll be playing. All right. And so they're going to want to know, some of the questions. And that's what you can put in this email. Some of the questions, you can do a search, on Google, different trivia games and facts, and include them in here. Okay. And then The third thing you do is tell a story. You talk about what you guys do, on Thanksgiving, and as to why you came up with this email to help them out so that when they get together with their family. So you letting them know, hey, you know, subscriber, we do the same thing for Thanksgiving. And now you're bonding. Now you're building that relationship, okay? And then the fourth thing you want to do is close with a call to action. You let them know, hey, I'm going to be out sending out something to you tomorrow. So look forward to getting it tomorrow. It's going to be, a 25% off or buy one, get one free or whatever that thing is. Okay. And so you always want to have a call to action. Okay, you're not just talking to chit chat. Okay, you're talking to make chit chat cash. All right. And then the last thing you want to have in that email is a funny visual. Okay. And since I was using, the Charlie Brown thing, of course, I put a picture of Charlie Brown right here in this visual. Okay. And so basically, adding a story in your email autoresponder is a great way to build that know, like, and trust that leads to sales, especially if you're using an email autoresponder, which is a must for a business owner so that you can not just have that one-time sale with your clients and customers, okay? And of course, the tools that I use are Trafficwave and Aweber. You can start free, and then you can also earn affiliate income as you use these products. Why not make money off of these products that you already invested in yourself? Okay, so you can let other business owners know, hey, this is what I'm using to connect with my clients. We can all eat from the table. Okay, so you don't have to hide what you're doing to be successful in your business, because what God has for you is for you. Okay. And so go ahead on and share, just like I share with you all every Wednesday, a new marketing strategy to grow your brand, reach, and revenue. Whether you, make your goals for the year or not, at least you have been given valuable content as to how to make it happen. Okay. And so I am Terry B. Jones, coming to you live again with another really cool marketing strategy to grow your brand, reach, and revenue. If I do not talk to you next week, which I'm probably not because I'll be traveling for Thanksgiving, just have a blessed Thanksgiving with your family and friends, okay? And until next time, continue making that chit chat cash with email marketing.